Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate DocuSign to streamline insurance policy approvals step by step clearly. To activate DocuSign for streamlining insurance policy approvals, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the DocuSign website. Click on the Sign Up or Get Started button to create an account. Fill in the required fields, including your email address and password. Verify your email address by checking your inbox for a confirmation email. Click the link provided in the email to activate your account. Log in to your new DocuSign account. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Locate and click on Templates from the menu options. Create a new template by clicking the Create Template button. Upload the insurance policy document that needs approval. Add recipient roles, indicating who will sign the document. Specify their signing order if multiple signers are involved. Set up fields for signatures, dates, and any additional necessary information. Save your template with a descriptive title for easy identification. Now, you can initiate the document sending process. Return to the dashboard and select your newly created template. Click on Use this template to begin the sending process. Fill in the recipient's email addresses as prompted. Customize the message that will accompany the document if desired. Before sending, review all settings to ensure accuracy. Click Send to dispatch the document for signatures. Track the progress of the signing process in the Manage section of your account. Once all parties have signed, download or store the final executed document as needed. Utilizing DocuSign will streamline your insurance policy approvals significantly. Regularly check your account for updates on document statuses. Ensure that all involved parties are familiar with the process for seamless approvals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.